This is tutorial number 39, and it covers how to create an eDrawings file within Solidworks. Now to start off, let's open up the staircase assembly, which is located on the DVD. Now let's say we created this staircase for a customer, and we want the customer to see what's going on, as well as the part vendors. Now let's say that they don't have any experience with SolidWorks, and they don't even have the SolidWorks software. How we're able to show them what's going on and what we've created in SolidWorks is by creating an eDrawings file. Now an eDrawings file is an executable program, so they don't have to have the software and they're able just to open it up. Now to create an eDrawings file, we have to just click the Publish an eDrawings file, and we're going to create the eDrawings file. Now let's open up the eDrawings file, and we can see that we've created an eDrawings file of the assembly, which is exactly the same as the assembly in SolidWorks. Let's open up the window, and we've successfully created an eDrawings file of the staircase assembly. And that concludes our tutorial on how to create an eDrawings file within SolidWorks.